Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. We found magic in the desert. This art exhibit called 7 Magic Mountains has been on my bucket list for a while. So glad I finally got to see this. The whole weekend in Vegas was fun, but I was excited for this little pit stop to the most colorful rocks I have ever seen. These boulders are truly out in the middle of nowhere from Las Vegas. The drive will take about 25 minutes. It's a nice little drive out from the street, a place to take fun photos, and to escape the hassle and bustle of Las Vegas Strip. This is quite the tourist attraction. This beautiful 7 neon-colored rock towers is produced by the Nevada Museum of Art, designed by internationally renowned artist Ugo Rondinones. From the parking lot, it's just a short walk to get the display. This exhibit is completely free. These bright balance racks are about 35 feet tall. They are real boulders. They provide an amazing and interesting contrast to the desert's landscape. They are bright, bold, and surely an eye-catching. You can't miss them when you come up on them. It is absolutely worth a visit to take a look and enjoy the creativity of this artistic exhibition.